G'day, welcome to Chalk Cine Control. I'm Chris Chalk. So, for a bit of a giggle, we figured we'd post an old video I shot when I was unboxing my first Netron EN4. Hope you like it. Hey everyone, Netron EN4 from our good friends at Obsidian Control Systems. Let's see what's in the box. Got a manual, worth reading because there's a lot of cool stuff in this little thing. Some fun. Packaging's very nice. Power cable. This is the node itself. So on the front we got 4 ports, we got an encoder, we got a little screen. On the back we got in and out power, 2 gigabit ports, one of which is PoE. So you can power this guy with PoE or mains power. Also in the box we've got some DIN mounting hardware. And then they also give you these 2 little plates, which can either bolt onto the side or bolt onto the front or the rear, so you can, hang it on a set wall, or There's also mounting options to put eye bolts and stuff in for mounting them on trusses, which is pretty cool. And then mounting hardware, all the plates and stuff. So yeah, that's the EN4. Check it out at obsidiancontrol.com and get yours while you can, because if not, I'm going to buy one. So yeah. So, hopefully that showed you what to expect when you unbox your Netron EN4. I hope you liked it. If you did, click like and subscribe, leave comments and questions. You're probably going to see more off-the-cuff videos like this on our Instagram or Facebook pages. But you can also check www.chalkcinecontrol.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.